everybody, Jeff Joyner here. I am in the Antelope Valley in California and gonna go check out a cool place that kind of always like seeing places like this, but it is the chapel where they filmed Kill Bill and Kill Bill 2, the scenes where Beatrix Kiddo in those movies was gonna have a wedding, and the Deadly Viper Assassin Squad showed up and ruined everything.
What the hell?
I contacted the pastor of this little church, and he's going to open it up and give me a little tour. So I like to visit interesting and unique places when I travel. This was a movie set for the Kill Bill movies. This is where Beatrix Kiddo was getting married, and the Deadly Viper Assassin Squad came.
The movie is this one. All right. Now, what are you doing?
So Oscar, the pastor here, told us all about the original wood on the floor and the ceiling. Got some guys that are visiting from Hungary that showed up here as well. It's the original piano over there. This is a katana that was used in the movie. It's a movie prop. It is not one of the Hattori Hanzo ones. But he swore a blood oath not to make any more. That's understandable. This is the organ that Samuel Jackson was sitting at.
How about Love Me Tender? I can play that.
We signed the guest book. It said 13,000 people have visited here and filled in these guest books.
All right.
All right, I'm here with Pastor Oscar, who is the pastor of the church here, and was kind enough. I contacted him when I was coming, and he was kind enough to open up the church and tell me a little bit about the history. You want to introduce yourself real quick?
Hello, everybody. My name is Oscar Castaneda. 2002, at the end of 2002, I bought this building not knowing how famous it was. 2003, this building became a Seventh-day Adventist church. Since then, we are here welcoming a lot of people from all over the world. And also I have married a lot of people from all over the world because they like to come and get married at the Kill Bill Church. So whenever you like and you're visiting Lancaster, California, please drop by, visit us, and I'll be happy to welcome you. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.
Great. Now, you've never had the Deadly Viper Assassin Squad show up during a wedding, have you?
No.
And start shooting people?
No.
That's good. Thank you, Pastor. I appreciate your hospitality.
All right, you're welcome.
All right. That was super cool. What a good dude. Telling us all about the history. This church was moved and it was used in so many movies with Robert De Niro and music videos with Cardi B. And he told us some hilarious stories. Really cool adventure. So hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. And let me know what you think. Bye.